So, hello guys, I'm KSN, as you may have noticed. Welcome to part 2 of the Timmy's pack opening series. They finally released them earlier this month, so I think I have a total of 19 of them, and this is part 2 of that series. If you haven't seen part 1, go and watch it in my channel down there. Okay, let's get right into it. Pack numero uno. Cut already, come on. There we go. Woo! Hockey Triumphs, Steven Stamkos. There you go. Roman Josi and Andrew Mangiapane. So yeah, in that order, Stamkos, Josi, Mangiapane for talent, in my opinion. Here we go. Pack numero dos. Oh god. There we go. Oh, what is this? Oh! No way, that's the rarest card I've ever gotten. What? How rare is this? 1 in 24! Flow of Time, Nikita Kucherov. It's holographic. It's like one of the 3D ones. That is cool. And then I got Mitch Marner. And, oh god, I just dropped that. Matthew Tkachuk. In that order, probably, for talent. Nikita Kucherov, because he's Nikita Kucherov, and it's a super rare card. Then Mitch Marner, because he's pretty darn good. And then Matthew Tkachuk, because I hate him. He's super annoying. So yeah, pack numero tres. Oh god, that was weird. What is that? Okay. Oh, what is that? Oh yes! Oh yeah! It's not a prize card, but it's Spectrum Standouts, Nathan McKinnon. I got one of these for Sidney Crosby in part 1, so go and watch that. Then Evgeny Malkin and Jake Gensel. Oh, I gotta put it there. Yeah, so that's pretty good. In that order, probably for talent, because McKinnon's amazing. It's an amazing card as well. Pack numero cuatro. I'm gonna cut right through it. I don't care. Okay. Ooh, okay. We have In Motion Phenoms, Arthur Kaliev. Then Phil Kessel. And then Miro Heiskanen. That's kind of in reverse order for talent right now, because Miro Heiskanen is like amazing. And then Phil Kessel I remember being pretty good. And then Arthur Kaliev, never heard of him, so I can't really put him anywhere on the list. So, then we're on to pack numero cinco. I'm just cutting it a little bit. That gives me more luck, I think. Please, oh god, it's a red. Oh, it's not a bad red. Okay, we have Jaden Schwartz. Red version. So you can't really see his name. Jacob Markstrom. And Devin Taves. It's probably not in that order for talent. I think it would be Jacob Markstrom, Jaden Schwartz, and then Devin Taves. But that's the order that came in the pack. So let's go into the last pack. Pack numero seis. Something like that? I don't know. It's a sideways card. Okay. Hockey Triumphs, Austin Matthews. And then Boone Jenner and Dawson Mercer. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so a recap on what we've got in part 2. Jacob Markstrom, Red Jaden Schwartz, Devin Tays, Miro Heiskanen, Phil Kessel, In Motion Phenoms, Arthur Kaliev, Spectrum Standouts, Nathan McKinnon, Evgeny Malkin, Jake Gensel, Flow of Time, Nikita Kucherov, Mitch Marner, Matthew Tkachuk, Hockey Triumph, Steven Stamkos, Roman Josi, Andrew Mangiapane, Boone Jenner, Dawson Mercer, and Hockey Triumphs, Austin Matthews. That's the end of part 2. Go watch part 3 now if I've posted it already. And see you in the next one.